Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about uh, having class in our MySql. Okay, is basically having class is basically using the filter the result of a group by query. A group by query. Basically, it is having class will work like similar to where class, but specifically to filtering a group data after aggregation. Anything we are going to uh, get the data after getting the data, we are going to use the having class. Okay. And why we say that where class and having class similar to that? Where class is basically to before grouping a anything we are going to use the where class. But having class we can able to use to filter after group by and after aggregation of that. Okay. Basically when we want to do for some aggregations and all, and this particular having class will be a coming. Okay, having class will to filter the data by using the aggregation function such as like sum, average, count, or maximum or minimum value. Those time we can able to use this aggregation function into the having class. Okay, it is basically like a one kind of things. Okay. And if you say syntax wise, right, a select column one, okay, and then we are going to use that aggregation function for the specific column, okay. Then we are going to use the from table name, okay, and after that we are going to use the group, okay. For group, we can able to use the where or without where also we can able to use, okay, group by specific column. Okay, and then we are going to use but having class. Okay, having, and this having we are going to use for condition. Okay, like this we are going to use the syntax. Okay, and practically if you see, right, the simple example I'm going to show you how we can able to see. Okay, if there is a anything which salary is greater than the 50,000 or 25,000 or 10,000, and in this case I want to verify. Okay, and if I use for here select star from employee. Okay, if I execute this one, see now I have this many cases. Okay, and in this case I want to see that which is the naming department or something which it is more than 50,000, but that particular department names I want. Okay, for this specifically. Okay, now I'm going to say here, and there is a condition like a select. Okay, and the select place, and I'm going to use for department. Okay, and I'm going to use the aggregation function as a sum for the salary. Okay, as I'm going to show you a total salary. Okay, from where we are going to taking from the employee table. Okay, from employees table, and here I'm going to use for group by. In this group by, what I can do, department. Okay, department, and then I'm going to use for having for the condition we need to write. Okay, the total salary is greater than 50,000. If salary is greater than 50,000 for the specific department, then I want to get it. Okay, I'm going to use a semicolon here. Okay, and then I'm going to executing this one. uh, Having unknown column as depart. Okay, something is missed. Naming conventions are not correctly. Okay, here department. Okay, okay, T I missed out. I need to take this. Now I'll run again. Now see, which is the department is greater than 50,000. That all the cases I got it, right? The similar format even you can able to use the multiple condition. Now we have used it for have with a single condition. Even you can able to use uh, double conditions also. How you can able to use, right? The same carry which we can able to use department with the total, and then if you want to extend of that particular one, right? Now here, now sum I took, and the similar format I want to take the average. Okay, average data of salary. Okay, now I'm going to take the average salary as a AVG salary. Okay, and department employee table and department and condition place, and here I'm going to use the and operator. Okay, and operator, this and operator will work two conditions is satisfy or not. If both the satisfy, then it will provide. Okay, avg underscore salary is less than 5,000. Okay, average salary is less than 5,000, then I want to display the sum table. Okay, now if I select this one, if I do it, see nothing is there, both the conditions. Okay, if both the condition is satisfied, then only we can able to get, because we doesn't have any like things in 5,000 range, right? Now average salary 40,000 we can mention. See, now there are two things here. Okay, like this we can able to include for anything. Okay, now similar format having without aggregation, if you want to use some without aggregation, I don't want to use for aggregation, I want to use the different way. Okay, then how to fetch the data. Okay, now I'm not going to do for aggregation. Okay, now I'm going to selecting that departments. Okay, now from where we need to take employee. Okay, and the group by and department. Okay, and I'm using for having clause where like uh, department like we, if you see right in my previous video, there is a concept called which is department is started for A or anything that we can able to take it. Okay, oh, I'll take it here. The departments are M, yes, it is there, and I'm going to use that uh, capital M with the percentage. Anything we start with the M and then we are going to getting. Okay, now again I'm going to run this one. See, which is marketing department is there. Like this also, without aggregation also we can able to use. Okay, if you want to combine where class with having class, that also we can do, because until that we are not done for where class using, but we are using directly a group by with some specific department, and then we are going to do the aggregation and all. Okay, without aggregation also we saw, and now we can able to see anything which is related to with a where class also. Like I'm going to take the status. Okay, now where the status is my active state. Okay, and then we can able to do for count and all. Okay, now again I'm going to use here. Now select department count star as employees count, okay, from employees, okay, and then where status is equal to active, okay, active spelling, capital A, okay, active, and then group by department, okay, and then I'm going to use for having employee count is less than 10, okay. Now we'll see. Oh, having class unknown column as employees to having class. Sorry. Now there is no data, and then having class main status, and it will count as department 10 it is there, and 5 also it is not giving as expected. You know, departments we got it, the count, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, because we have the department count as a 5, and then we count it, okay. Like this we can able to do, okay. And maybe you will get one more question from the interview perspective, okay. Is basically, can we use without group by class, can we use the having class without using group by class, okay. Like that maybe you will get the question, because he intentionally want to know that whether you can able to write any query without group by, okay. You don't want to use the group by, but I want to use the having class only, okay. I don't want to use the where class also. Then how you can able to use it? Maybe like this you will able to get it the some questions, okay. That moment you can able to say yes, we can able to use, but the different way, okay. Group by when you are not using, and having clause behaves like a where class, okay. That moment, like how you are going to use a where class, the similar format we can able to use a having class. Okay, only a thing is like where filters the rows, while using having class is a filter as a groups. Okay, filter as a groups. Then how you can able to filter as a groups. Okay, now here if you say select some, and I will take one thing here. Now this is the one. Okay, salary. So salary count as total price, okay, and from employees, employees table, okay. Now we are going to use instead of where class, we are going to use the having class, okay. Having some salary is greater than 50, okay. Like this we can able to use, and now you can see is greater than that, and single we are going to get the price. Okay. If it is greater than 50, then we can able to display. If it is less than, then we can't get that any result of that. Okay. Like this, we can able to get it. Okay. This because you can explain him like without where class group by also we can able to use, but here having class will work like a where class. Okay, this is basically a group of values, and there it will be used for single condition wise. Okay, this is all about for having class. I hope it this entire information help for you, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.